Hello YouTube, Litespeed Doctor here, and today I'm going to show you how to cache on the Litespeed web server different page content based on cookies. So in some cases we have a different cookie set for different users and we want to serve the different content, and then we want to cache this content so we save on performance. So I have set up here just testing website and a lot of snippets that shows me two different cookies and what's the value and if they set. Now let me show you first here my HT access. So all I need right now to this been working is 3 lines. This where we set which what's the name of the cookie we want to create a different version of the content, and then the rewrite rule. So right now we're working with a zip. So if I go here and we have right now clear cache, we have a cookie zip is not set. For the moment we ignore the CDN. I'm going to refresh. I've got about 300 milliseconds, so I know that it's miss. Okay, if I refresh it, I've got 57 milliseconds. What I know it's hit. So we've got a created cache for version without any cookies. Now I'm going to application here. I'm going to set cookie just to zip, and I'm not going to put any value. I'm going to refresh, and now as you can see, it's already been detected. Yeah, the zip is set, but it's empty. Yeah. So we're going here and back to network. We see the time is long, so it's miss. Yep. If I'm going to refresh it, it's gonna be hit. All right. Now if I go back and delete this cookie and I make a refresh, you see there is a detected that the cookie is not set. However, if I go to network, it's cached because I did it on the first place. I hope it makes sense. So if I go now to applications and I'm going to make zip equals 123, I'm going to refresh it. You see how they picked up. So right now this page is different version, and it's version for value of the cookie 123. Okay, we're going here. It's again it's missed. I'm going to refresh it. Is being cached. If I go back and delete it, I should have a cached version of is set but it's empty, and it's here. We're going to the network, it's 58, so it's hit. Yes, so that works. What if you want to create different version of the page only just for certain values of the cookie? So if I'm going here, I'm going here to application, and let's put a new value 456. All right, so I put this here. I'm going here to the code in the HT access. So add here next to the zip is 456. I'm going to save, and I'm going to clear cache just to ensure that we don't get any false positives. So right now, if I'm going for 456, I'm going to have cookie zip 456, and it's gonna be cached, right? If I go back and put here 123, that should mean that it shouldn't have different version of the cookie. So right now here says 123 and it wasn't cached. So now cache being created for everything else that is 456. All right, if I remove completely and I refresh it, you see it's always 123. It's 57. So right now with this setting, it's only either general or zip has to have a value 456. All right, so let's disable this and let's go for another version that we have a multiple cookies. So if we have a multiple cookies, we need to have a little bit more code, and we need to have here one for zip and one for CDN regex. So we've got here zip and CDN. I'm going to save it. I'm going to clear cache. So if I refresh, I don't have a set any cookies, so both are not set. I'm going to set zip 1 2 3. I'll get zip 1 2 3. If I put here CDN and I don't put value, I got a CDN and don't have a value. Okay, and it's not cached. Okay, now we have a cached version of this one. If I change here CDN for 789, I'm going to refresh it, and we've got another version 7 and 9. Okay, so there are two variables we're creating another version of the page. And if I refresh it, yeah, we've got it here. So that would be it. I hope I explained it well, how to work with it. If you have any questions, please leave in a comment. As well, in the description of the video, I'll leave a link for htaccess commands necessary to do this. And of course, the snippets I use to test different cookies and what the values. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please click the like button, consider subscribe, and I wish you all the best with working with the Litespeed web server. Thank you, have a nice day.